Alright, today we're going to be putting these zipper, polo, quarter zip boards on the press. I was asked, hey, how do you center them up? And I thought, this is good timing because my other set's on the other press, it's being used, and I need to get a set on this one. So I made a video on it, it's how to do it on the cheap. This is 3/4 inch plywood, it's cabinet grade. I did cut a 2.5 inch gap down this one. I do have a set with a 3-inch gap because some brands have more fabric in the middle, but I go half the depth of plywood, and it's cheap. I mean, these are 14.5 by 19. They're the same size as my standard boards, and that way it accommodates youth and adults. I don't have to swap out and get everything done at one time. And when you're setting them up this way, check out my setup video. I mean, I could swap out I don't call them youth because these are my universal boards. These are youth and adults. Fashion boards, I call them, because they're for the more fitted. I can swap those out with these. Everything's square and centered, and I don't have to mess with off contact or anything. And it's just really efficient. Now I've got these boards going, the zip hoodies, so I can actually do the zip hoodies, the polos. I can do the t-shirts, the sweatshirts, and then I have a set of hoodie boards that's basically I've taken the bottom half off for that pocket to fall in. And it's great. My registration's perfect, and don't have to mess with it. And when you're in the screen printing business, you're in. I've been doing custom screen printing for 30 years, and you're in the business to make money and take on those challenges and get those customers. And this is not expensive. Now, I'm not spending my money buying, other platens and stuff. And I just go to the hardware store and get this. This is really efficient and cheap, and it's awesome, remarkable. But I do use the Bison Platen. So what the Bison Platen is, it is a base plate bolted to your bracket. So it gives you a solid printing foundation. You're able to customize with this. There's so much you can do than just you can multiple size boards. I do so many custom projects that these have been great, and they stay level and flat. The plywood in this helps distribute the heat evenly. Just really a game changer for print quality. So with this, I've taken pallet tape and gone across the seam with it and marked my center. And so I'll bring the board up to match the size of the other one, and I'll tack 2 screws in it, and then I'll take it off and finish out the setup, and put it back on, make sure everything's level. And that's how you do it. You should check out the setup video. You'll see how everything's done. If you got a bracket setup, you can still do it. You do exactly the same thing with the bracket setup, and I explain that in the setup video. When you're doing boards like this, now the hoodie board taking off the bottom, it's easy because you've got a lot of bite area. The zipper boards, you're missing this, you're missing a big chunk of your support, but it will still work. You still can bite into that. You might get some warpage because you are missing some of that, but it should work for you. This stuff's not that expensive. When you cut them down to piece, you look at a piece price. Go down to your hardware store. Cut a set, try a set. Save yourself some money from buying other accessories, and give it a shot. So thanks for watching, and yeah, check out my other videos, and maybe be helpful in your business and be more efficient, and you're in it to make money. So yeah, hopefully I can help you out. Thanks. I'm getting ready to put pallet tape on this board here, just to show how it's going to do it. There you go. Should be on this side, but yeah, I will run it down the channel, come back the other side, up in, and then over. There you go. Tuck in my corners. So now I got a channel down the middle. there you go. So that's how my hoodie boards will be, and a zipper hoodie for the zip hoodies or polos. This is how it is, and that works. So I want to share that. Go on to do the next one.